Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Colonel Conk shaving soaps. We just received a whole new batch, newly reformulated. The old style came in a transparent, see-through little plastic container with a lid, and they were glycerin based. You were able to melt them down, put them in the microwave, 15-20 seconds. You could melt them, pour them into your shaving bowl, mug, whatever type of container you have. I don't know if you can do that anymore. Let's find out. The new ones, here's what they look like. Here's the large. It comes in two sizes, large and small, just like they did before. But the new formulations come in these cardboard packages now. Almond, amber, bay rum. Those are the large sizes. The small sizes, almond, amber, bay rum, and lime. They've also come out with a brand new travel jar right here. It's got a twist off cap, so it's watertight. When you're done, just tighten it all the way down. The water will be locked inside. Drop it in your DOP kit. Don't worry about leakage, no problem. These travel jars, they only come with the small pucks. They don't come with the large pucks. So if you get a travel jar, it's going to be the small puck. By the way, we have all these in stock at Shave Nation. Just came in. If you want them, just click the link below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to ShaveNation.com, enter Colonel Conk soap in the box, in the search box, and they'll pop right up. See this puck right here? This is the bay rum. I've sliced off a small chunk right there. I put it into a dish, into the microwave for 15-20 seconds. And guess what? You'll have to watch the experiment to find out. I'll insert that right here. Let's perform a little experiment. I always say the best thing to do is just chip off a little piece, put it in a small container, a dish, put it into the microwave and see if it melts. If it doesn't melt, then you haven't ruined your entire puck. Let's see if these new formulations will melt in the microwave. So let's just chip off a little piece right here. Drop that into our dish. Put it right into the microwave. Okay, so here's what happened. Aren't you thankful that you didn't put your entire puck in there? It's charred, it's turned brown, so these are no longer meltable. They're no longer microwavable, so don't even try it. Just letting you know. I'm going to perform a shave with this, and we'll see how it lathers up. See the new reformulation if we like it or if we don't like it. Let's see if we can mix up a lather with one of these new ones. Here's the Trafalgar Simpsons T2 brush right here. I'm going to soak it under the warm water. I'll also bloom the soap with some hot water. Shake out the bulk of the water, synthetic brush, so shake out most of it. Let's see, I'll pour out this water because there's a lot of water in there. Let's see if we can mix a lather here. The bay rum scent, to be honest, I've smelled my wife's makeup a couple times. And it kind of reminds me of that. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that's what it reminds me of. Okay, should be enough for a shave right there. A face lather. We could go into a bowl and lather further. Okay, let's do it. Here, got my Shave Nation bowl. I'll just warm it up real quick under the hot water. I'll just go in here and see if we can generate a further lather. Oh yeah, no problem. Comes up around the edges, scoop that back down. You just push the tips into that lather spot at the bottom, and that friction creates lots of lather right there. Very nice, look at that. Plenty of lather for several passes. All right, I'll set that down. I'm gonna warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. Whew, all right, my face is nice and warm. Let's grab our brush and our bowl and let's apply this lather, see how it feels. Starting on the right, moving to the left. Goes on easily. Just drive it into the beard. I had a couple days beard growth. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. Okay, the razor I'm using is the Merkur Progress with a feather blade that's been used a couple times already. So I've got the razor set to a 6, the highest setting, that's how I do it. First pass will be on 6, here we go. Most aggressive setting. I remove the bulk of the beard with the first pass and then turn it down for subsequent passes. Some people may like to do it the other way. If you do, comment below, let us know. Definite audible feedback. You can really hear it working. Okay, both sides filled. Let's rinse that. Left side. Got the sideburn. Work your way down. It mows right through, even with a once or twice used blade. Flip it. Dries up a little bit quicker than I'd like it to, but it's a good cushion. The blade glides over it easily, rinses out very easily. Mustache. Excellent. Rinse that. Quick face rinse. Let's grab our brush and our bowl. Relather. Just a light coating this time. Second pass. Figure 8. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. All right, first pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll go across the grain. Oh, let's don't forget. We're going to take it down from a 6 to a 3. 5, 4, 3. Got it set on 3 now. It was on 6 the first time. Oh yeah, big difference. Audible feedback is less. It glides easier. Less beardage to glide over. Less blade reveal. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Very nice. Rinse that. Across under the mustache. Wonderful. Another quick rinse. Now let's grab our brush and our bowl. We're just going to hit those cheeks. We'll get baby smooth on the cheeks. I'm going to turn it down all the way. 3, 2, 1. all the way down till it stops. Now we'll just skim the skin. Don't scrape like this, but skim. Find that sweet spot. This gets you super smooth right here. Other side. Very nice. Nice and smooth. Very good. A final cold water face rinse. We'll take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap under the cold water, glide that over all the areas you've shaved. Excellent finish to the shave right here. Seals off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. We did not get any today. We just got a close, comfortable shave. Cap that off, set it down. Let that soak into your skin for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Apply your aftershave. This is Proraso, Aloe and Vitamin E. Excellent for wintertime use. Nice thick balm. Bottle's almost empty, so it's taking a while to come out here. Just about that much will do it. Massage that directly into the skin. Cooling, calming. Aloe and Vitamin E, good for the skin. It'll give you some protection throughout the day. Final rinse of the razor. You know, the Merkur Progress. Been around for many, many years. Time tested. Excellent razor. Gives you the versatility of an adjustable where you can match it up to suit your beard on any given day. Heavy, go 6. Medium, go 3. Light, go all the way down to 1. Which is what I did for my 3 passes, just to demonstrate that for you. The Colonel Conk shaving soap performed quite well. Mixed up a lather very easily, went on very easily, good cushioning. The only thing, seemed a little bit sudsy, dried up a little quick, but maybe I put a little too much water in there. Next time I'll try it with a badger brush, see how it performs that way. Back to the Colonel Conk shaving soap, melted down in the microwave. To be honest, that's the first time I ever tried a non-glycerin based shaving soap in the microwave, and I had no idea that was going to happen. But now we know what happens when you put a tallow based or some other type into the microwave, which is why I always say just cut off a little chunk like I did and put it in the microwave so you don't ruin your entire puck by putting it into the microwave and winding up with a charbroiled cheeseburger, hamburger looking type thing. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos out there right now, shaving and more. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.